Well, I was out on a walk, or am on a walk, and came across this guy. I'm not exactly sure what kind of snake this is, but he has a pretty fat head, and I'm not really sure. Maybe a rattlesnake, I don't know. I can see a little bit of something on the end of his tail, but I'm not real sure. He's just laying there, kind of relaxing, trying to pretend that he's dead, I guess, so that I don't bother him, and I'm not going to. He's about 2 feet long, but very interesting. I may toss a rock at him and just watch him and see what he does. All right, here we go. Let's see. Not a whole lot. Whoops, where is he? Let me back out here. No. I don't even know, he might be dead. No, he looks like he's moved. Yeah, there we go. That got his attention. He looks kind of flat, like he needs to eat something to fill up his belly. He's looking at me now, saying, "What are you doing to me? Don't get any closer." Hopefully he doesn't decide to chase me. Beautiful creatures, though. Just really beautifully designed. I wish he would kind of move or do something. Except, all he's doing right now is just flicking his tongue, trying to figure out what's going on. He sees me moving away, so I'm sure he's got less tension right now. I'm going to toss another rock. If I had a stick, I'd get a little closer. It's just going right over him. Let's see what we got over here. Okay, we got part of somebody's car over here. I don't know, that's kind of still too short. I need something a little longer, because if he's venomous and he's that size, he might be able to jump at me. Come on, buddy, let's move, do something. He just wants to lay there and ignore me and pretend that he's not there. That's not a good place to be. If there's a car that comes soon, you're going to be a flat snake. Yep. Well, okay. Well, this is kind of unusual. I didn't realize this, but somebody dropped a deer there. Wow. I can see here where they dragged it from across there. Ah, that's why the part of that car bumper is there. I get it now. I do see some blood there too. Yeah. So somebody hit the deer, and I guess they just dragged it across the road and put it over there. Poor deer. Well, I guess I'm going to leave you, Mr. Snake. Enjoy the rest of your day.